Right then, problem number 2, and this one is for DIYers who found a leak on a compression fitting and they think, wow, I need to fix that leak. So this is what people do, and I'm afraid this is wrong. They've got this bit of pipe here leaking, and what they do, they get their PTFE and rightly or wrongly, they put it around the thread. Rightly or wrongly, they put it around the thread. I'm afraid to say it's wrongly. They pop that on there like so, and then they do up the nut again like that, and it's like, mate, you've done absolutely nothing there. And if you want to fix this compression fitting properly, you'd pop this back just a little bit like so, and you can use PTFE to fix these. Look, just run it through, pinch it with your thumb, pop it on there like so. Our watertight seal happens here on the olive and within the taper here of the joint itself. You can push that in there like so, pop that on there. That will fix the leak. Please pop over to the Plumber Parts YouTube channel to watch the whole video, see more plumbing disasters and learn more in plumbing tutorials as well.